The Book of Ezra tells the story of the Israelites returning to Jerusalem after being in exile in Babylon. It begins with King Cyrus of Persia, allowing the Jews to go back to their homeland to rebuild their temple, fulfilling God's promise through the prophet Jeremiah. Led by Zerubbabel, the people start to rebuild the altar and lay the temple's foundation, despite facing opposition from their neighbors. Although construction is delayed, the encouragement of prophets Haggai and Zechariah helps them complete the temple, and they celebrate its dedication joyfully. Later, Ezra, a priest and scribe devoted to God's law, leads a second group back to Jerusalem, focusing on teaching the law and guiding the people to live faithfully. When he learns that many Israelites have married foreign wives, threatening their spiritual purity, Ezra prays and leads the community in making difficult changes to restore their obedience. Throughout the book, we see themes of God's faithfulness, the importance of worship, leadership, and the need for perseverance and obedience. It's a powerful story of restoration, both physically by rebuilding the temple and spiritually by bringing the people back to God.